The iPhone SE processor is indirectly. Apple revealed recently that there were rumors suggest that the iPhone SE would feature a bionic chipset. However, it appears Apple has planned the recent release of the iPad Mini has given us a clear understanding of what the iPhone SE might incorporate. Apple unveiled the iPad Mini, which powered by the same A Pro chip used in the iPhone Pro and Pro Max. This chipset supports Apple's advanced features, such as Apple Intelligence, and gives a noteworthy performance boost. The A Pro features a speedier CPU and GPU, paired with a neural network engine that is 2 times faster than its predecessor had. A 6-core CPU consists of 2 high-performance cores, with for efficiency cores. The A Professional delivers a % improvement in CPU performance. It also improves graphics capabilities of its 5-core GPU, increasing graphics performance by % compared to the previous generation. Chip also supports No Professionals applications for designers and doctors, pilots, and enhances experiences such as photo editing and augmented reality. Pros make procedures faster and more. Users will find these immersive capabilities. It appears improbable that Apple would select a chip for the iPhone SE when a professional can offer everything needed at a more cost-effective level. Past reports also stated that the iPad Mini will have a chip. However, these predictions turned out to be wrong. How do you feel about this? Feel free to share in the comments below. iPhone SE is a significant release for Apple, especially given the reduced iPhone sales exceeded expectations. Series Apple intends to bridge the sales gap with the iPhone SE by including the latest features in hardware targeting to increase sales and expand its market. Furthermore, Apple is planning noteworthy upgrades for the iPhone. See, the design may mirror the iPhone, possibly incorporating face identification and transitioning away from the conventional touch identification of the device is also likely. Feature an ancient display with a narrower notch replaces the LCD used in previous models. The iPhone SE is anticipated to become the first special edition model to support Apple Intelligence with this upgrade, and Ryzen gigabytes of RAM within a Pro chipset, providing the required power for advanced AI capabilities, such as the iPhone says anticipated prices, priced at $1 for the base model. As for the release date, the iPhone SE was released in March. After a similar time frame, the iPhone SE is expected to launch in March. Apple is anticipated to release the full stable version of Apple, which may be a home run for Apple in terms of demand and sales. What do you guys think about the CPU iPhone SE? Are you enthusiastic about the launch? Share your opinions in the. Having stated that, we shall see you in the future video.